Welcome to my channel, and let's get straight to action and just walk with me today to find the robin, or robin redbreast as is called in the British Isles. Thanks to its bright red breast, it's familiar throughout the year and especially at Christmas. Males and females look identical. Young birds have no red breast and are spotted with golden brown. Robins sing nearly all year round, and despite their cute appearance, they are aggressively territorial and are quick to drive away intruders. Down in the woods around Old Church, I have often saw many robin birds, and it will be a good spot to observe and record video of this little cute birds. Let me tell you more about robin. Feisty, iconic, a Christmas card favorite and a gardener's best friend. It's no wonder this fiery little fella is one of Britain's most loved birds, frequenting the UK's gardens in search of worms. What do robins look like? With its signature bright red breast, the robin is immediately recognizable. It has a brown back and white belly, with the orange-red breast stretching up to its throat and face. Juvenile robins are brown all over with mottled golden flecks. What do robins eat? Robins enjoy eating fruits, seeds, and insects, such as beetles. They also love feasting on earthworms, and can often be seen in gardens on the lookout for juicy worms as they are dug up by gardeners. How do robins breed? The breeding season usually begins in March, although if the winter has been mild it can begin as early as January. The female robin builds a cup-shaped nest using moss, hair, grass, and dead leaves, somewhere on or close to the ground. Robins begin laying their eggs between mid-April and mid-August, and a clutch is made up of around 4 to 6 eggs. Chicks hatch after around 13 days. The chicks fledge approximately 2 weeks later. Where do robins live? Robins are found across the UK in woodland, gardens, parks, and hedgerows. They are fiercely territorial, singing to defend their territory all year round. Their red breast is actually used as a territory defender. Signs and spotting tips. It's not hard to spot this fiery little bird. Chances are you won't have to go far to see one. Simply step out into your garden and you might spot a friendly robin. These birds are usually very tame. Or, enjoy a walk around your local wood and you could see one perched on a branch, perhaps even singing their silvery song. Did you know? The reason robins are used so frequently on Christmas cards is because during the Victoria era, when the tradition of sending Christmas cards began, postmen wore red jackets, earning them the nickname robins. Thank you for watching, and let me know in the comments if you spotted this lovely bird in the area you live. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you didn't already. See you next time.